We're going to start the door seals on the GR Corolla, front and back. So we need the instruction template, a heat gun, face prep, masking tape, roller, in-free wipe, protective cloth, a Belgian Malinois. Ow! Ow! Gloves, face mask, eye protection, and a GR Corolla. Called the templates. So these two templates are going to be for the front door seals, and these two are going to be for the back door seals. We're going to apply the surface prep to the cloth. Same for the rear doors. We're setting our heat gun to 60 to 70 degrees. Same for the rear door. The template is the front left side template. We're gonna align with this line that you can see on the rocker panel. It's gonna just continue, and that's gonna give us exactly where we're gonna place or seal. What I'm going to do is just with the tape added on this side, so I know this thing is not going to move anywhere. Now we're going to proceed and remove the adhesive. We're going to follow our template. Try to avoid to touch the adhesive areas. The protective tape too. Some people like to leave it, some don't. I just gonna remove it. Gonna go ahead and align. Went a little bit under here. It's aligned completely with the edge of the board. That's it. Now we're gonna go with the roller. And done. For the rear seal, we're gonna do exactly the same. We're gonna make sure it's gonna match with the line for the rocker panel on this area. But one thing really important on the rear seals, there's a left. So you can see this is going to be for the left side, the other one is going to say right. For the front ones, it doesn't matter, it's going to be the same. So just pay attention to this, really important. Now we're going to align here, and this is going to be the area we're going to place or seal right here. I'm going to remove the stickers. Like I said previously, you can leave this plastic if you want. I like to remove it. Then removing tape. I'm gonna place our seal right here, following the positioning on the template. And it fits perfectly. Go with the roller. And we're done. If you guys find this video helpful, hopefully you can throw me a like and considering subscribing to my channel. I'm gonna have a lot of do-it-yourself guides for this and other vehicles. Thank you very much.